10 years, $10 million, and 10 million mistakes. But finally, music and communication that just works. We listened to our customers' most requested feature and built a product ecosystem that delivers on the promise of music and communication while skiing, even without cell service. Aleck Off-Grid is a rugged, long-range, Bluetooth-enabled walkie-talkie with over 2,400 channels, 16 hours of battery, and a slim, pocketable design. Aleck Snow are headphones for any audio-ready helmet, with large buttons for easy operation. Pair Aleck Snow with Off-Grid and your phone for push-to-talk and music control right from your helmet. And with our app, set up channels, map your group, and manage devices seamlessly. But let's rewind to 2014, because there's much more to this story. I was sitting on a chairlift and thought, I want to listen to music and communicate with my friends. So I started a company and named it after the chairlift. We started by making our own helmets, teamed up with an electronics firm in the UK, flew to China to scout factories, and launched a Kickstarter campaign. We even got invited to present to the NFL, and things were looking great, until they weren't. The electronics company in the UK were a total f***up. So, through a recommendation, we tried another firm in Germany and Russia. I flew to St. Petersburg to meet the team. They didn't show up. That's when I realized I needed to take control, so I found partners in India and Australia. But then I f***ed up. We rushed production of the helmet, wasted a ton of money and time, and the Kickstarter campaign failed. Then, we had a rethink. What if we took the electronics out of the helmet and made our own headphones that go inside existing helmets? That's when things started to click. We found some amazing app developers who'd worked on massive Nintendo titles. Then we signed a partnership with Smith, the biggest snow helmet manufacturer in the world. That put us in retail stores like REI across all of North America, and I thought, we're finally on track. I flew to China to oversee production, and then I got very drunk in Hong Kong. Our partnership with Smith really put us on the map, and so, behind the scenes, we signed another huge multi-million-dollar contract with a major global brand. We spent over $3 million on staff, engineering, R&D, app development, you name it. We even acquired a crash detection company in Germany to service the contract and hired a bunch of kick-ass people in the US. It felt like we'd finally made it. Then, our partner went through a massive upheaval and our project got completely dropped. That led to a total restructure of the company. We had to downsize and say goodbye to some truly great people who left a lasting mark on Aleck. There's an old saying, hardware is hard. Well, hardware is really f***ing hard. I had rose-colored glasses on when I started this company. I've made way more mistakes than right decisions, but fortunately, for now, the good ones have outweighed the bad. So here we are. The Aleck Off-Grid and Aleck Snow are the culmination of 10 years of hard work, $10 million of investment, and about 10 million mistakes. After all of this, we're finally ready to deliver these products. It's been my brainchild since 2014, and we've worked our asses off to get here. With your help, and we really need it, we can bring these products to life and continue growing Aleck. Please help to share our story. We can't wait to get these products in your hand, and we know you're going to love them. Thank you for being part of the next chapter of this wild journey.